YouTube friends and family, welcome back to Nini's Eats. I'm your girl Nini, and today you guys, I felt like having a little KFC. I'm sure you guys have seen the commercial where they have the little chicken sandwiches, 2 for $3, but they have 4 different flavors. So I wanted to try the 4 different flavors for you guys, give you a little review. What do you think? So they have cute little chickens, tenders on it. Look, I don't want to drop it. Some pickles, some mayo. So I take it this one is the extra crispy. This one is the, I'm going to taste the sauce, that way I can tell the difference. I would say that this one is the Georgia Gold. This one is the oh, this one's cute. I'm gonna say that this one is the Smoky Mountain. And last but not least, this one must be the Nashville. Yep, the Nashville Hot. Ooh, I got a nice little piece of chicken on that one, huh? Okay, so I'm excited about this. Saw the commercials yesterday on TV. Wanted to try it. And you guys know, can't eat a couple of chicken sandwiches without chicken wedges. I mean chicken wedges, potato wedges. Potato wedges. So, how's everyone doing today? I'm doing well. I will be drinking some ice cold water, you guys. I don't want to block the food. So, before I get into my food, let's pray. Father God, I'd like to thank you and praise you for this meal. I ask that you please cast out anything harmful to me in Christ Jesus' name. Amen. So, which one should I start off with, you guys? I want to try the Georgia Gold. I believe that's this one. Chicken stuff. Bread is soft, tasty. They have mayonnaise and pickle on the sandwich. I'd say that this is good. Georgia Gold, you guys. I mean, the chicken is their normal everyday chicken tenders. And then from what I got, because I'll tell you guys, I'm one of those people that stand right there and watch them as they make my food. So what they do is they use regular chicken tenders and then they just put a little sauce on top. The Georgia sauce is good. It's kind of almost honey mustard. Almost like a barbecue / honey mustard taste. Sandwich is yummy, especially with the pickle. I meant to ask them for extra pickles, but I didn't. So, how's the weather in y'all's parts? Over here, it's trying to rain. It's windy, cold, cloudy. It was sprinkling a few minutes ago when I went out to go get the food. So I'm pretty sure we'll be getting more rain tonight. Very crispy, it's good. Let's go with the original. What do they call it? The extra crispy. I have a feeling this one's going to be dry since there's no sauce on it, except for mayonnaise. I was right. It's still good. But like I almost want to add more mayonnaise or something. I got 2 pickles on this one. Look, 3 pickles on this one. So this one is just like their original chicken tender on some bread, mayonnaise, and pickles. I'm going to add some sauce to it, you guys. I happen to have this in the refrigerator. Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. I'm going to add that to it. You know what? I just had a thought. That'd be fun if I made these myself and try different barbecue sauces on them. You guys should try this. Yummers. That one's so good, I might. For my potato wedges. Starving today, y'all. First thing I ate all day. I was waiting for it. Didn't want to ruin my appetite, you know. So, my mother-in-law's in town. Yay! Yes, I'm one of those women that get along with my mother-in-law, thank God. She's here for a week. I love it when she comes and visit, you know what I'm saying? Like, all the motherly duties get slashed into half. Even the fussing. I don't have to fuss at the kids as much because she's here to fuss at them for me. I love it. I hate it when she goes home. She helps with the dishes, she helps with the baby, you know what I'm saying? Just awesome. Okay, next sandwich. So this one is the what is it? Smoky Mountain barbecue. So let's try this one. Ooh, look at that bite. You guys, I love when the chicken hangs out. Don't you? Okay. Okay, so the extra crispy needed some sauce, some extra mayo or something. The Georgia Gold was good. It gave me kind of a honey mustard type feel to it. A little gritty, if you would say. And this Smoky Mountain barbecue is good too. It's just a smoky barbecue taste. A little sweet. Definitely has a sweet taste right in the back. It's good. I should have asked for extra pickles. Man. So, while I got you guys here, let me let you guys know that the Nini's Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Wing Challenge is a definite go. I have numerous people that are agreeing to do the challenge. And they're just, you know, working on getting the noodles and all that stuff. I do have one person that she will be dropping her video tomorrow, you guys. So how exciting is that? I'm waiting to see it. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see her reaction. Her reaction. She's fussing at me already, y'all. She's like, Nini, you got me about to do this challenge. No, but she wants to, so that's gonna be fun. I can't wait. So in a minute or two, I'm gonna read off to you guys all the different people who are definitely participating because they went to the video and they, you know, commented hashtag Nini's Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Challenge. So I'm going to tell you guys who those people are. That way you guys can keep an eye out for their videos so you guys can see it, okay? Pickle. Who else is like me? I love extra pickles. Like if it were up to me, it'd be a pickle and chicken sandwich, like for real. Bread makes you full. But it's yummy. So, okay. So, Eats with Meg will be dropping her challenge video tomorrow. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I can't wait to see it. And you guys know I have a hot tongue, and you saw how I was reacting, so I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see everybody's video. So tomorrow, Eats with Meg will be dropping her video, and then these are the other names of people who have agreed. Okay, G loves to eat ASMR. Foodie Seemly TV. Live a Little with Leslie, Michigan Foodie Girl, Love Mommy ×3, Robo Warrior, and last but not least, True Foodie ASMR. Now there are two other ladies who have mentioned to me that they want to do the challenge, but have not yet commented hashtag Nini's Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Challenge. Spicy Chicken Wing Challenge. So, I'm not going to mention their names. They know who they are. I need them to do that. That way, like how I was able to come down this list and just say it because I see it in the comments and it's so much easier for my eye, you know. I don't want to make it too complicated. So as soon as those two ladies type that in, I'll add their names to the list. Good luck to everyone. There is, again, there's $50 at ham for everyone who has, who does the challenge. And then everyone who has left a comment in that video, regardless of if you do the challenge or not, is eligible for a $25 reward. So, if you're watching this video and you have not yet seen that video, I will leave that link in the description box. Go back, check out the video, check out and see if this is a challenge that you may want to do. May want to do with someone else, you know, $50 at hand. And then leave a comment. Doesn't hurt to leave a comment. And then you can definitely be eligible for this Nashville heat, or Nashville hot. It smells really good. I love the smell of it. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. So everybody look out for Eats with Meg's video tomorrow. She will be doing the Nini's Eats 2-time spicy chicken wing challenge. Let's get into this one. I'm ready. Did I show you guys, or was I being nosy and just looking at it for myself? That looks good. I wish I had some. A little bit of heat. I taste it. Look at these itty bitty little pickles, y'all. That's why I like cooking my own food, man. No offense, KFC. This is good, but that's why. It's yummy. It's spicy. You know, nothing to be too alarmed about, but you do taste it. You can tell that this is the spicy one out of the 4. And the potato wedges are bomb as usual. You guys already know that. Look at this one. I can't wait to eat that one. It's big. I like when the excuse me excuse me, the sauce goes all up in the bread. You know what I'm talking about? Soaks it up. Ooh, hold on. Excuse me. Okay. I'm back. So, today's Monday. What you guys eating on? Did you guys watch the Super Bowl yesterday? Did your team win? I should say we, don't usually watch football, believe it or not. We're more into like boxing, UFC, wrestling, you know, that area of sports. But my mother-in-law came, and she's like, let's watch the game. You know, besides the fact that she put some money in the pool and wanted to see if she's gonna win. So we all picked teams. I picked the LA Rams since that's where we're from. But it is what it is. I enjoyed the halftime show. But what's his name? Avril Lavigne from Maroon 5. That was cool. It's crazy though, because we haven't seen Super Bowl in years. And then me and the kids are laughing because, you know, as soon as the game is over, you go on Instagram and boom, there go all the memes making fun of that one rapper guy. I don't want to be done. That was yummy. So, KFC, I'll give you a thumbs up. Me personally, I could have used a little more pickles. That's me. Georgia Gold was good. Honey mustard type flavor. Smoky Mountain was good. I like that barbecue sauce. It had a hint of sweetness at the end of the bite. The extra crispy was good as usual, but it needed a sauce. Maybe extra mayo on the sandwich, or you know, you put a hot sauce or something on it. And then the Nashville hot, I would have to say personally, for me, it's out of Nashville hot and the Smoky Mountain. Excuse me, y'all. I'm looking. I don't want to say the names wrong. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sitting here with the receipt in front of me with the names of the sandwiches, so I don't accidentally say them wrong, you know. So that's what I'm looking at, just in case anybody wondered. Can't do a review and say the names wrong. So I had fun with you guys. Everyone, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe some more, and leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys have tried these sandwiches yet, and if so, which one is your favorite. And then when you're done doing that, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Go to my last video, check it out, leave a comment there too. Be a part of the $25 giveaway. And if you think you can do the challenge, the Nini's Eats 2-time spicy chicken wang challenge, let me know by leaving a comment, putting in hashtag. Y'all got it. Yeah, I heard you. You said it. And we'll go from there. Again, everybody keep an eye out for Eats with Meg. She'll be dropping her video tomorrow. And I guess that's it. So everyone, continue to have a happy Monday. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.